his real test is when?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow. So even if this goes bad, yeah, there's nothing really we can do, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey guys, welcome to another mock driving test, and today's learner driver is Tamil. Tamil, you come from Coventry, you said, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so guys, I've just met Tamil, picked him up from the train station. He's here for me to assess his driving. Never met him before, he's never driven this car before, he's never driven in Wolverhampton before. So we're going to find out if he's ready for his test or not. His real test is when?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow. So even if this goes bad, yeah, there's nothing really we can do, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, hopefully it doesn't, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, hopefully you're, in my opinion, hopefully you are good enough here, but I'm going to be, like always, I'm truthful at the end, yeah? If I think you should go for it or not, but you're in that situation where even if I say, oh, you shouldn't go for it, you lost your money anyway, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so hopefully it doesn't come to that, yeah? Right guys, and any of you that are leaning to drive and want to take part in one of these free mock driving tests, all you need to do is drop us a message on Instagram at DJN Driving, and we select people from there randomly, yeah? Not everybody gets selected, yeah? Can't always reply to every single message, so sorry about that. Any questions before we start, Tamil?
No, good.
All good?
Yeah.
Yeah. You know how it works. If you do make a fault, I won't say anything until the end of the test. For you guys watching, any faults that Tamil does make or any good stuff he does, I will talk about it just before it happens. Right, you haven't driven this car before, yeah? Do you know how it starts? Have you watched the videos?
Yeah, I've watched a lot of videos.
Good. So brake and clutch down to start the car. If you stall anywhere, just put the clutch back down and it restarts, yeah? Okay, if it doesn't, just pop into neutral and it will, yeah? Electronic parking brake, have you used that before?
No.
Okay, so to release it, all you do is press the accelerator, yeah? You get the biting point, press the accelerator, and it switches off. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah? Move off whenever you're ready, please. So, tell us a bit about your driving as well, while you're starting the car. How many lessons have you had? And
I've had 12 hours of lessons with an instructor, and with friends and family, maybe a couple hours.
okay, cool. You feel ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go then. And if you could take the face turning on the right, please.
Yeah.
Tamil does have a habit of coasting, which means keeping the clutch pedal down or pressing it too early. You should only press the clutch pedal down if you're stopping or changing gear. As we approach this right turn, Tamil is already in the correct gear, which is second gear. And we don't have to stop as there are no oncoming vehicles, so there was no need to press the clutch down.
And at the end of the road, turn right.
Tamil carries out good observations at this tricky junction. The approach speed to this junction was slightly fast, which led to our position being too far from the curb. When turning left, you should follow the curb. Before moving off, always ensure you have the biting point. If you don't, you'll roll back as Tamil does here. This was good awareness from Tamil. He notices the parked vehicles ahead and changes lanes nice and early. When stopping behind another vehicle, always leave enough space just in case that vehicle rolls back or breaks down. You can judge this by ensuring you can see the back tyres of that vehicle and some road underneath. We call this the tyres and tarmac rule.
So you've been watching the videos?
Yes, a lot.
Good, good. You downloaded the driving course?
No, I've done the free part of that.
Oh, okay. That's something.
Yeah.
The free's only obviously it's got the first few
10
Yeah. That's mainly for your first few lessons to prepare. yeah, so anybody watching, that's the ultimate driving course. You get the first 10 videos free, yeah. So yeah, there's going to be a short video coming up now just describing what it is.
Hooray! So this course really filled my knowledge gaps and I became more confident.
My ultimate driving course consists of over 50 easy to understand, precise videos covering every single topic required to pass the driving test. These are practical videos demonstrating everything from moving and stopping a vehicle to all the maneuvers plus every other module. So if you're lacking in knowledge on a certain topic, or maybe your driving instructor hasn't covered everything on your lessons, then this course has it covered. Just watch the relevant video before your driving lesson, which means you'll get into the car knowing exactly what to do. This will definitely save time on your lessons. When you have a choice of two lanes that go the same way, it's best to select the left lane so you end up in the left lane, as the right hand lane is for turning right or overtaking. Tamil ends up in the right hand lane but does well as he doesn't hold anyone up. He builds up speed well and moves over to the left lane when it's safe to do so. The speed limit is 40 miles per hour. The van in front is doing around 30. Tamil decides to overtake, which was a good decision. He overtakes well, then moves over to the left lane after overtaking. Very impressive. It may not look it as the camera is set to a wide view, but this lorry behind is very close. A slight rollback would result in a serious fault. Tamil handles it well.
And if you could turn right, please.
Yep.
This is that right turn on the bend which most learners mess up on, but Tamil positions well and only turns when he can see there is no oncoming traffic.
So you watched the video uploaded on this time?
Yeah.
After you uploaded that, yesterday, yeah?
No, I think I've seen like older videos,
Oh,
like
okay,
three years, 2 years old.
Also, you've been watching the channel for a while.
Yeah.
You subscribed, yeah?
Yep.
Good. Anyone watching, make sure you subscribe, please.
Bell icon pressed as well.
Tamil emerges out of this junction and then notices a van approaching quite fast. He reacts well by accelerating to build up his speed quicker.
And take the second
Sorry.
turning on the right. Just where that car's turned, yeah?
Yep.
At this right turn, Tamil should have stayed in second gear as there was no oncoming traffic. At the stop junction, Tamil stops well. Our view is restricted. The awesome man to our left has a good view of the road and waves his stick to let us know it's safe. What a guy. road markings at these lights are faded. In this situation, it's best to stop about a meter before the traffic light. Tamil stops a bit late and the braking was harsh.
At the lights turn left, please.
Yeah.
At this left turn, again, Tamil keeps the clutch down and steers wide, not following the curb.
Right, let's find out how good or bad your roundabouts are.
Yeah.
So here now, I want you to follow signs to Dudley for me, please.
Totally. Yeah.
Just to let you know, you probably do know if you've been watching the videos, yeah? Two
To
roundabouts.
right.
Oh, you know which way to go as well? Okay.
Yeah. Right at this and right again.
Well done.
The right signal should have been applied by now. Tamil signals too late. He checks the correct mirrors before exiting this roundabout and positions well. He exits onto the right hand lane, which is good because we are turning right again at the next roundabout. This roundabout he enters well, and this time he indicated at the correct time on approach. Tamil checks his mirrors well before exiting the roundabout. It is safe to our left, so he could have moved over and exited onto the left lane. He sticks to the right, which isn't an issue, as we've seen how Tamil understands it's important to move to the left lane. When following another vehicle, you should have a minimum of 2 seconds between you and the vehicle. To judge this, pick a stationary marker. When the vehicle in front reaches that marker, start counting and make sure you don't reach that marker before 2 seconds. Tamil is just about keeping 2 seconds from the vehicle in front. After entering this roundabout, he shows good lane discipline by keeping to the left. Now this is the part where Tamil failed this driving test. He's getting closer to the vehicle in front and then decides to overtake. He changes lanes whilst there is a vehicle approaching in the right hand lane. We slowed that vehicle down. There was no need to overtake. It is a shame, but it's not that bad failing a mock test like this as long as you learn and don't do it in your actual test. Shortly we'll find out if he passed or failed his real test. And just to add, I did mark the coasting as a serious fault as it kept on happening. On a real test, the examiner may let Tamil off with the coasting part, but on these mock tests, as you guys know, I will always mark it as a serious so you're aware and don't do it on the actual test. That's the end of the test. Just some quick feedback with Tamil before we find out whether he passed or failed his real test.
That's fine, I'll do. And if you could switch off the engine for me. That's it, Tamil. That's the end of the test. How you feeling?
Definitely fail.
You think you definitely failed?
Yeah.
One.
I think I've slowed down few vehicles in the back.
When?
Firstly, there was some black grey car closely following, so I felt like maybe I would have slowed on him. And then And then a couple of times when turning right or left, I may have close, how do I say, driven close to the curb or right side of things.
Yeah, that part was fine, but on a couple of your left turns, your steering was a bit wide.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Overall, your driving was very good. Yeah, very good. You got your test tomorrow, and you should pass your test tomorrow, but today you failed. Okay. Yeah, okay. There's a one of your habits is something that you need to definitely keep in mind for tomorrow. Yeah, okay. You're always rushing for the clutch pedal.
Yeah.
Okay, always just remember the initials BBC, brake before clutch. Okay, every time I should do anything or you're approaching lights, turns, clutch down. That was one thing that I just if it happens a few times, the examiner won't fail you for it. Yeah,
Of course.
but towards the end, we saw on the roundabout, you know, when you're driving at high speeds, you're putting the clutch
Yeah.
down first. We're approaching fast. Yeah, so it all adds up. So there, I turned into a serious fault. Yeah, okay. Overall, you're driving like assessment, judgment, very good. Yeah, first time you've driven this car, control of the car, very good. Yeah, just near the end, then the last couple of minutes before we did the maneuver, when we were on the dual carriageway, there's a white car in front of you. I think it's white or silver, sorry. Yeah, and then it was going a bit slow. You decided to overtake. No problem. You showed me good overtaking earlier as well. Yeah, but then there's a white car approaching.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I've slowed down.
Exactly, you did slow them down. Yeah, and the other thing, keep an eye on your following distance as well. You know, if someone's driving slow in front of you, don't get too close to them. You were just on the borderline. You were close the second time around. You were
Yeah.
close. The first time we did it, you're just on the borderline of the. How many seconds should you keep from the car in front?
2 seconds.
2 seconds. Yeah, it was just that whole situation where you got a bit close, and then you decided to change your lanes and slowed the car down. That was the part that was a straight serious. Apart from that, there wasn't any other straight up serious faults. Obviously, the coasting one added up.
Okay.
Okay, that's all your mirrors, everything's good. Okay,
Yep.
that's it. But thank you very much for coming down, and good luck for your test tomorrow. Like I said, pretty sure you're going to pass. Let me know how you get on and I can add it to the end of this video. Yeah,
Yeah, thank
okay.
you.
It's time to reveal whether Tamil passed or failed his actual driving test. I'm happy to say that he passed with just 2 minors. No surprise there. Well done, Tamil.
Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.